Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're opening Safari and heading straight to YouTube. Not the YouTube app. Sign in now if you want your playlists and history available, because that keeps continuity. Once the page loads, tap the share icon and add to home screen so you can launch the website like an app later. Make sure you use the desktop version next. It triggers different playback behavior than the mobile site, and that difference is what lets audio keep playing when your screen goes dark. Once you've launched the home screen shortcut or Safari page, switch to the desktop site via the AA menu in the address bar. Desktop mode often exposes the picture-in-picture or background audio behavior. Start the video, and when the Pi-P icon appears, tap it. If Pi-P isn't shown, play the video, then press the home gesture to background the page. If audio pauses after locking, open Control Center and press play to resume without unlocking. This sequence uses iOS's web playback quirks to keep audio alive. To finish, lock your iPhone with the audio playing. Verify playback continues via Control Center. If audio halts, reopen Safari and press play, or toggle the desktop site setting and retry. Sometimes a reload fixes it. Remember, YouTube changes how web playback behaves. If this stops working consistently, YouTube Premium or the official app with background play will be the reliable option. Finally, restart Safari or your phone as a quick troubleshooting step if nothing else restores background audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.